Hey everyone, so I got this blonde peekaboo wig from Soul Lady Hair. They sent me their 24-inch undetectable lace 6x4 unit, and this is just amazing. Like, it's such a ready and go easy wig to wear. So let's go ahead and get into the install and show you all how easy this is to put on. Like a perfect cut going on here. This is perfect. Okay, cool. Y'all see this? Glueless. This is amazing. Cool. Okay, so now I'm gonna start installing it. Alright you guys, so I'm doing this hair review. This wig is from Soul Lady Hair. They sent me their highlighted, or it's a black wig that's got choppy blonde highlights, definitely 613. I went in and I styled it. I actually didn't even do anything to the bangs, and I kind of just curled it and gave myself my own little curtain bang look. This is a glueless wig. It's literally perfect for back to school, for if you're working a job where you don't have the time in the morning to wake up and just, I guess, get detailed with your installs. I didn't know how to do my installs pretty fast now, but this is a great beginner-friendly wig where you don't really have to do too much. It already comes pre-cut. The lace comes pre-cut. Glueless, so you really don't have to do anything as far as maintenance. And it also comes with its own elastic band that's adjustable in the back. So it's pretty thick, you know, as they come, but with this, you kind of, it's like how they have like a school backpack. You can adjust the straps and, you know, it fits your arms really well and your shoulders really well. The same thing happens with the elastic band with this wig. And what I like about this is that I don't really have to do too much as far as like my sideburn area and me having to kind of customize that, because it's really, really hard to do that when you actually have lace going on. So this is a 6x4, so it goes back 4 inches. It goes across your forehead 6 inches to kind of like your temple area, which I feel like is perfect. It's enough room, and there's less work that you have to do, especially like when you're trying to lay down your hair. Again, it's a lot more difficult when you're having to deal with like 13 inches of lace around your head. This makes it a lot more bearable, a lot easier, and it's perfect for that wear and go type of look. This unit is also 24 inches. And I'll get to the density in a little bit, but there's a lot of hair going on here. It's definitely 180% to 200% density. I'm going to get into like the actual specs as far as the pricing goes for this wig, because I know y'all probably want to see that. So this is their blonde peekaboo highlight wig, glueless straight. The same thicknesses at the top towards the ends. So it's like you're getting a lot of hair. There's still hair literally in the back. So as y'all can see, on the side and on the side this way, it's so pretty. And then this is the back. So there's literally so much hair. I gave myself kind of like romantic looking curls because the hair is so long, and I just use a regular curling iron, as you all saw in the beginning. But the price of this wig is going to be $292.14, and that's really, really good. For this much hair that you're getting and for undetectable glueless lace, I think you're getting a really good deal. And the hair lays down extremely flat, surprisingly. Usually when it comes to closure lace wigs, or just wigs that don't go all around the nape of, or all around the perimeter of your head, it doesn't lay down flat and it kind of has like a little hump. But this is perfect. There's not that hump going on. It's very flat. The construction is very nice, and they did a really good job. The product features for this wig are glueless, install, wear and go. There's zero skill needed for this unit. I mean, zero. It's real HD lace, which has a flawless melt into the scalp. It's also pre-plucked for you, so you don't have to actually pre-pluck it. I didn't do anything for this unit, you guys. It's literally, it comes how you get it. It's also longer and fuller than other wigs for the price that you're getting. Usually they're really thinned out. or hair companies, they kind of make it to where there's only a lot of hair density at the top and then it gets really, really thin towards the bottom, but this stays consistent all the way throughout the hair. So like you're not having to worry about that inconsistency and like how much you're paying for it. It doesn't really add up. This definitely does add up. It's also very soft and smooth. I don't have to deal with shedding for this wig. I can run my fingers through it. And yeah, so this is 100% virgin human hair. There's no fibers, no synthetic hair. Wig density is 180%. Very thick and full. Blonde Peekaboo highlights. Ultra silky. And the hair length goes from 14 to 30 inches. And yeah, you guys, like that's literally it. I'm gonna go ahead and take some intro shots for you guys, and I'm gonna put the direct link to this wig down below in the description as well. I hope that you guys like it, because I definitely do. Soul Lady did such a great job for this unit. And yeah, it's time for me to go take some intro shots and maybe do like a reel or two. But go ahead and check Soul Lady out. They're very affordable and they also have great quality wigs. So I hope that you guys like them.